What's up, guys? Today I'm going to cook pasta because I'm starving. But before that, I'm going to show you the snow. So here it is. There's a lot of snow. It's so deep. And last time I went outside, it was so freezing cold. And I also built a little snowman right over here. But it got covered by the snow. So let's start cooking our pasta. So we need these ingredients for the pasta. Obviously we need pasta, we need cheese, onion, garlic, what else? I think that's it. So let's go get the ingredients. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have onions right there, garlic, tomato, and pasta, boiled pasta. We have the stove here. In this pan there's oil, and yeah. Next we put in the paprika. Sprinkle a bit on it. Since I'm holding the camera, I can't seem to dab it and it will easily come out. There, enough. And we stir it again. The smell's coming in. Yeah. Smells good. Oh yeah. And let's put in the tomato that we have, like this, and so there, good, and we put it in. Just gonna put that in. Keep on stirring it. Alright. Once we finish cooking this pasta, it's going to taste good. Like, very good. Yeah. Next, we put in milk. So, pour it in. I'm not sure. Yeah. There. Milk. And then. Okay, next, we're going to put in rosemary. And we also put in thyme. Okay, here's the rosemary. There, just floating. And next, I put in the thyme. Put in a bit here, and there it goes with the rosemary. Let's start stirring this. In this mix, we have tomato, onions, garlic, cheese, milk, thyme, and rosemary. What else do we put in? I'm not sure what else to put in, so let's just keep on stirring it. So one day I took this pasta to school, and one of my friends, Steven, he loved it. So he asked for the recipe to it, and here I am now. I want to make a video about it, on how to cook this pasta. Here comes the pasta. It's gonna dump it. So let's mix it in. You see this? It looks gooey. Kind of looks fun to watch. Okay, next we get cheese. Come on. Oh, where's this cheese come from? Of course it's coming from the green. And I'm do a little bit more. I think that's enough. I think that's enough. Next we put in salt. Oh, what's the salt? Oh, it's here. Yeah, we put salt. Okay, we put salt. Yes, that's enough. Okay. Then we mix again. Let's check the gooiness. Oh. Next, we put in oil. Here we go. Yeah, it's gonna take a long time.
One eternity later.
I feel like I'm putting in porridge. Okay, let's get started eating this. So here is the pasta. We put pepper too. And before I start eating it, I have one more thing to add. My bulldog sauce. I love spicy sauce. So let's put this inside. Just oh my. Here we put the sauce. There. It's dark. That's how you can tell it's so spicy. And okay, here it is. Let's get a fork and let's just start eating this. So, oh no. Here, it's quite squishy, and here. So hot, so hot. I told you it's going to be good, right? Are we done recording? Okay, I can go rest now. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy your pasta, and I'll see you next time. Bye.